All right, we're going to talk about Google Slides a little bit and how you use them. It depends on what your teacher assigns you, but you can use them in a variety of different ways. Your teacher may assign um, a Google slide that goes to the whole class, and then they'll have your name on a certain slide. So, like, student one would be, someone that started with the letter A, probably, student two, B, whatever. But you would just find your slide and do whatever you're supposed to do for the assignment. Sometimes you may have to do like a presentation where you introduce a topic on one slide. You maybe talk about the history of it on the other, and then you talk about current status and the future of the topic. And you can always add new slides by clicking this little plus icon. As far as putting stuff in to Google Slides, if you watch the Google Doc video, it's pretty much the same thing. You can insert images. You can search the web. So if we were going to do an elephant again, we can select an elephant picture and insert it. As you can see, it makes it really big. It looks kind of crazy. Check this out. It doesn't look right, does it? So what you can do is you can resize it. You can pull those little boxes down and make him fit inside the box a little bit right here. So, and then you can add some text, okay, about the elephant and things like that. So keep that in mind. Make it look good. You don't want to have a messy looking presentation. You can, even if you're doing some kind of math assignment, you can insert tables. Whatever you need to do, all those things will be there just like they were on Google Docs. So just like on Google Docs, you can type in a word and you can explore it, look up stuff about it. You can define it, get the definition if you don't know what a word means. Okay, so all those features are still here. Another thing too, especially if you're a younger student, your teacher may ask you to move things around. They call them manipulatives, but that's a big word, so we won't even say it. But you may be asked to move things around. Well, you definitely don't want to be in present mode, okay, because you can't touch anything when you do that. But whatever they've assigned you, you can come here and you can edit it, okay? So let's say that they tell you to sort the red and blue blocks. Well, you can drag that red block to the red column and the blue blocks to the blue one. And then when you turn in your work on Google Classroom, they'll be able to see what you've done, okay? Don't worry about this click to add text. If your teacher's setting up things the way they should, you can actually have this blank, so it wouldn't even matter if you have this or not. But when you present this, as you can see, your blocks are sorted and they look right. So you can move things around within Google Slides as well if need be. So hopefully this kind of covers the features. This is the basic stuff that you just need to know to go. You can make it look real pretty and add backgrounds and all that stuff if you want to. It's just what your teacher wants you to do, okay? Thanks, guys.